Have we got a delicious recipe for you? Creamy, dreamy mushroom Alfredo. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. It's pretty easy. So you're going to start in a medium saucepan, use some low sodium vegetable broth, and you're going to add in the garlic, get that all simmered up, and it's so good, you guys. I wish there was a smell button. Add in your mushrooms. We're using portobello mushrooms here, but use whichever mushrooms you want. You can mix them up, do whatever you want. But you're going to saute those. You can add in a little extra low sodium veggie broth if you need to. Man down always happens. Add in the seasonings. And you're going to saute these bad boys, you guys. Oh, it's so good. Adding in a little pepper, salt, rosemary. So good. Takes about 7 minutes to cook. After they are cooked down, you're going to take about a third of the cooked mushrooms and place in a blender. You're also going to add the cashews and some veggie broth in the blender. And guess what? You blend this until creamy. You guys, it's so delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have found this earlier. And you're going to cook your pasta. Get that boiling. We used a delicious fettuccine here, had a little basil in it. And then you're going to add the creamy Alfredo sauce to the pasta. Look how good that looks. You guys, top with some extra mushrooms. And voila, creamy, dreamy, delicious Alfredo sauce. You are welcome. Grab it in your vegan bundle today. It's in Dr. Vegan.